Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to make your Notion pages pop with personality? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add animated icons to your Notion workspace. It's quick, it's easy, and by the end, you'll know how to bring just the right touch of movement and flair to your notes, dashboards, or any page you want to liven up. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your Notion page, the one you want to make a little more interesting. You could be working on a task tracker, a personal journal, or even a whole team dashboard. The great thing about animated icons is that they work anywhere on Notion. Just navigate to the page you want to customize. If you're new to Notion, remember you can always switch between your pages using the sidebar, which makes it super easy. Next, we're going to access Notion's amazing embed feature. On your page, type a // and then the word embed. This is a powerful command in Notion that lets you bring in all sorts of content from outside sources, not just animated icons, but also videos, calendars, and more. When you see the embed option appear, go ahead and select it. If you've ever added a video in Notion before, you'll notice it looks pretty similar, but the cool thing here is you can embed more than just video files. You can actually embed custom code that runs animations. Now it's time for the magic moment, pasting in the code for your animation. If you've picked out a fun animated icon, maybe from a site like Lottie Files, or you customized your own animation, just copy the embed code they provide. This code is what tells Notion how to display your animation. When you paste it into the embed box and hit enter, Notion will instantly load your animated icon right on your page. It might take a few seconds for it to appear, especially if it's a more complex animation, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes, you might need to resize or move the embedded animation to fit your layout. If that's the case, Notion makes it easy. Just click and drag to reposition or use the handles to resize. You can even add a quick note beside your animation if you want to explain its purpose or set a bit of context. The beauty of using animated icons in Notion is that they make your workspace feel more alive and personal. For example, you could use a bouncing checkbox next to a to-do list, a spinning globe for a travel planner, or a cheerful waving hand for a welcome message at the top of a team portal page. These little touches go a long way to making your digital space feel friendly and unique, especially if you spend a lot of time in Notion. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, just go to your Notion page, use the embed command, paste in the animation code, and watch your page come to life. Don't be afraid to experiment with different icons and placements. Part of the fun is in making your workspace truly your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got any questions or want to share some of your animated icon ideas? Drop a comment below. I read all of them and I'd love to help. And if you want to see more Notion tips and creative workspace tutorials, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and have fun animating your Notion pages.